I just can't let you go.
Let's go. Today I'll be making a poke bowl. This is spelled P-O-K-E and it is an Hawaiian dish that I really love. I love to eat. I love to prepare. Here I'll be using salmon. This bowl consists of all that you're eating combined together. Chinese or other persons, they use a stick. I'll be using my fork. So here I am seasoning my salmon, and I season this with some chili season, and I mix additional seasoning on this to prepare this bowl. This bowl consists of fish, veggies, and a sauce served with some white rice. I can make the sauce for myself, but I was lazy, so I bought a tiny bottle of the sauce. So I'll be using purple onions, cucumber, carrots, some avocado, my sauce, and a little rice. I also drizzled a little sesame oil on my salmon. All the ingredients that I will be using to prepare my poke bowl. I added some cornstarch on my salmon to add in my oven. This is to help with the moisture, and it's also really good for frying foods. Once done, I will add on my baking tray and add to my oven to bake. To add in my oven, I added on my rice. Quick, easy Sunday dinner. Here I'm about flipping the other side of my salmon. It's almost ready. My rice is almost ready. I'm giving you all new recipes, quick recipes that you can all try. You will get these nowhere but at Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. Get out of the norm and start making changes. Please remember to give your girl a like. It is free. Please like the videos. I am giving you a variety of different dishes. It's not the same thing every time when I post. Here I served a bed of rice in a bowl, and I will then add my salmon, my onions, carrots, cucumber, and some avocado. Then I will drizzle my sauce on this. Listen, I am not an onion person, but the purple onion has a sweet taste, and the sauce makes it bomb. The sauce makes it taste even better. Making your sauce on your own, it would be mayonnaise, sriracha sauce, and you would add your black pepper, your salt if you wish, and any other seasoning. I mentioned I was like feeling lazy, so I just bought the sauce and I drizzled it on it. The sauce makes everything combined taste really good. When eating this, you want to combine a little bit of everything that is in this bowl. Look at what your girl did. Please remember to give your girl a like, and I will definitely drop my ingredients in the description box because I've made it before. This time I used the one from the bottle. It tasted just the same. Thank you for coming to my channel. If you're new, a big shout out to all my new subscribers, the ones who continue to support my videos. Please remember to give your girl a like, share, drop a comment, and let me know what you think about these poke bowls. Look at them, colorful, looking delectable, and let me tell you, they were tasty. I could have eaten even my fingers how these tasted really good, and my family enjoyed them. Yes, they did. Tasted really good. I need my own restaurant. Pray for me, you all. Please remember to give your girl a like, and see you soon.